At the Castle of Marietta, history is more than a lesson in a textbook. It's something you build,
We have glue!
craft, or debate.
Cows are going to provide milk. And milk can be made into butter. Are we taking the churn?
Yes!
The camp delves into life from 1800 to 1820, turning early Ohio history into a hands-on experience for dozens of children in the summer.
How can we make history that you might read in a book or learn in a classroom, how we can make that more hands-on and interesting to kids? How can we get them to understand similar things today versus back then, do some compare and contrast? I think that's our kind of a little unique approach to summer camps that we do here.
The camp has sold out each the last 5 years and provides 6 new activities each day for a week.
All the kids get to experience new things. They get to learn how to make their own food. Like, for example, we were doing silhouettes. We were learning about portraits and how portraits have evolved through the years. So that was really cool. Campers even discuss what they'd pack for a wagon journey, debating every item.
Coffee grinder was one of the things that settlers took, but the kids say, is that really necessary?
You could drink water.
One little girl, one boy said, well, they could just drink water. But one little girl said, I think it's necessary because if my parents don't have their coffee, they get grumpy. So then I said, do we want grumpy parents? So everybody voted that then we would take the coffee grinder.
How's she going to have her coffee?
An apple can wake up just as much. If you have an apple. No!
The final test? Build a boat themselves from scratch. The only rule? It has to float, just like the ones used on the Ohio River more than 200 years ago.
Not a little big, but it floats.
It floats!
It floats!
Reporting for Newswatch, I'm Ty Carpenter in Marietta.